Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. Thanks for coming out. I grabbed this out of my to-do pile. I got this a while back from a large cattle rancher. He had pushed two to the street, and I was able to get this one. I didn't get the other one. Somebody scooped it up before me because I talked to him afterwards, and he said he had put two to the street. The issue with this one was I did a video on this a while ago. The whole deck here at the top was rusted, a lot of rust marks. So I've got a few self-propelled units for sale, 150 up, and people are bugging me for $100 self-propelled unit, so I thought I'd rectify this one. Everything works on the machine. 22-inch cut, 6.75 horsepower. So I gave it the Turd Award today just because it's an old rusty Craftsman, but it's functional. So I'm going to list it as at 100 because of the rust through there. So I had several choices on tape to use, and I went with this foil tape. I believe it's AC Contractor ductwork tape. It's UL listed. So I got a roll of this at a yard sale. I probably paid $1 for it. I'm always looking for bargains. Figured I could use it on a project, and I just did. So it's Sure Tape brand. I had three other choices I could have used. I got this at a yard sale. This is Dollar Tree and just regular duct tape. I went ahead and cut off the deck cleaning attachment for your hose that was sticking up there in the middle. I wanted a smooth surface all the way around, so I eliminated this. I think it's beyond use that the deck needs to be washed at this point because it's so far rusted. So this Sure tape is just a foil paperback tape. So you remove the paper in the back and just apply the tape to any dry surface. I greased all this down prior to putting on the tape so I'd have a good bond. I just used this on the front yard. Made a couple of passes to see if the grass or sand would kick up the foil, and it held tight, so I'm impressed with this stuff. I probably have 20 or 30 feet of this stuff in this roll. If I ever run out, I'll have to track down some more at some commercial distributor or ask some AC people that I know if they can get me a roll. Probably find it on Amazon. You can get anything on Amazon. I'm trying to pull back a piece of this foil tape so I can show you what the back side looks like. My fingernails aren't thin enough. But this is how it peels back, paper backing. Just like aluminum foil consistency, but real tacky here. Probably for ductwork, like I said, up in the attic. Ceiling seams, it's UL rated. Anyway, so I'm happy with this stuff. I think I got another Toro recycler that's in rough shape. I got to bring that one out when this one sells. Go ahead and slap some of the Sure tape on it. Not sure the year of this thing. The ID plate was severely rusty. all the ID numbers wore off. But this is the Craftsman model number, 917376470. It's a 675 22-inch cut. So I'll take some pictures of this thing right now, get this turd listed, make somebody happy. It's got the homemade chute, so that qualifies for the turd award as well. We got holes in the deck and a homemade sheet metal chute riveted to the deck. Well, almost riveted. So there you go. Appreciate you coming out, looking at the turd of the day. You guys have a good day today.